Myth number 5. The answer is always the first thing that matches the question. Write it fast before it changes. Students often think, I heard a match. Quick, write it. No need to keep listening. Truth. No. This is one of the sneakiest traps IELTS uses on purpose. The speaker frequently says something wrong or old first, then corrects it with words like, actually, sorry, I mean, no, wait, but, or however. The real answer comes after the correction. From official practice tests and IDP British Council tips, they add these self-corrections to test if you follow the final information. Clear example. Very common in Part 2, Tour Guide, or Part 3 Discussion. Speaker.
The tickets cost $20 for adults. Oh wait, sorry, I mean $25 because we added the guide fee.
Question. How much do adult tickets cost? Correct. $25. Wrong, $20. They wrote the first number they heard and stopped listening. Beginners love this because it feels fast and safe, but it costs 3 marks across the test. Tip. Keep listening until the speaker moves on to the next idea. Watch for change words like but, actually, or instead. They signal the correct info is coming.